Hi, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. Today we're going to talk about your income. As an agent, what are you earning? More importantly, what are you giving up to an agency and what are they providing to you in return? Once again, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. As an agent in the community for over 15 years now, and as a principal of an agency, I hear it all the time. I'm working with this agency because they give me leads. But they do keep half my income, and if I do ever leave, they're going to keep my entire book of business. What are those leads worth? What's your renewal income worth? And if someone's skimming off the top because they feel as an agency that the carrier's not providing an appropriate administrative fee, what are you losing as an agent? And once again, what are you gaining by working with this agency as opposed to another agency? Understand that Senior Enrollment Solutions will never keep your book of business. Our release policy is on the front page of every contract. More importantly, we do pay full CMS commissions, currently at $510 for a Medicare Advantage plan first year or $255 for renewal years. Above and beyond full commission, we are here to help you succeed, whether or not that be marketing co-op, whether or not that be leads, events, appointments, preset appointments being booked. We have a financial interest in your success. I beg of you, run the numbers. I do understand that as a type A personality, which most of us are in the sales industry, we do not like the administrative work. We do not like going back and crunching the numbers to see whether or not our taxes, 1099s or whatever it is, has increased over last year or has decreased. Before you sign an agency contract, before you run with the dogs and you catch the fleas, it's very, very important to know how that will affect you in your career down the road. What legacy do you plan on leaving? And more importantly, how are you protecting your beneficiaries, your family, and your livelihood in the event that the agency that you're currently working with decides to keep your commissions, keep your renewals, or just simply boot you as an agent? If you have any questions, phone us at 248-270-9577 or visit our website at seniorenrollmentsolutions.com/agents. If you need any excels on understanding what you're giving up compared to what you're receiving, email us at agentservices@seniorenrollmentsolutions.com. Be happy to provide you anything I can for you to understand your income and, more importantly, what you may be giving up to whatever agency and what you're receiving in return. I assure you, you go back 3 or 4 years down the road and you start looking back at how much money you've given up for a few thousand leads, it doesn't make sense. Once again, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. If you have any other questions, please reach out. I would love to help you understand your income, how we can help you increase it, and more importantly, how you can actually keep it. 248-270-9577.